Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be diving into Arithmetic Series. I'll break it down step by step to make it easy to understand. Let's start with the definition. An arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. To find the sum of an arithmetic series using the first method, where you know the number of terms, the first term, and the last term. In the second method for finding the sum of an arithmetic series, we use the first term, the number of terms, and the common difference instead of the last term. Let's find the sum of the series. First, we need to check whether this is an arithmetic series or not. To do that, the differences between consecutive terms should be the same. In this case, all the differences are equal to 3, which confirms it's an arithmetic series. The number 3 is known as the common difference. It is an arithmetic series, therefore, we can apply the arithmetic sequence formula to find the number of terms. Knowing the number of terms is essential, regardless of whether we use the first or second method to calculate the sum. Now, we need the general term formula for an arithmetic sequence. Once we substitute the known values into this formula, we can solve for the number of terms in the series. After calculating, we find that there are 33 terms between 5 and 101 inclusive. Once we've found the number of terms in the series, we can go ahead and use one of the summation formulas. Since we have all the necessary variables, I'll choose the shorter formula to keep the math simple and avoid unnecessary steps. Finally, after applying the formula, we get the total sum of the terms, which is 1,743. Let me move on to the next example. In this example, we're given an arithmetic sequence with a first term of 9, a common difference of 4, and a total sum of 184. The goal is to find the number of terms in the sequence. There are two arithmetic series formulas, so let's hang out for a second and decide which one will be the most useful. Since we have the first term, the common difference, and the sum, we can use the formula that involves these values to find the number of terms. If we hang out with the first formula for a moment, you'll notice it has two unknowns, the last term and the number of terms. Since we don't have the last term, we can't use this formula to solve the question. Now, let's check out the second formula. Based on the given information, the only unknown is the number of terms, which means we can definitely use this formula to solve the question. Let's plug all the known values into the formula and organize it. We have the sum of all terms is 184, the first term equals 9, the common difference is 4, and we're solving for n, the number of terms. Let's go ahead and multiply the inside of the parenthesis by n over 2. Next, let's combine the terms and collect everything on one side of the equation. Since the coefficient of x squared is not 1, it's time to use the AC method for factorization. Since the number of terms must be a natural number, we can conclude that n equals 8. Today, I explained the arithmetic series and how to solve related questions. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Make sure to check out past paper questions to deepen your understanding.